If you ever logged in with Google on any app or website, your Google account may still be connected right now, and that could be putting your data at risk. This is not a hack. This is something most people forget, and it can quietly expose your Google account without you even knowing. Why this is important? When you use Sign In with Google, you give that app permission to access parts of your account. Even if you delete the app, even if you stop using the website, that access can stay active. That means old apps, shady sites, or abandoned services could still see your data, your email info, your profile, sometimes even your Google Drive or contacts. This is one of the most ignored security risks on the internet. Step-by-step guide. Open Google on your phone or computer, then tap on Google Account Profile. Then selected your Google account, and tap on Manage your Google account. Then tap on Third-party connections. You will see a list of apps and websites connected to your Google account. Look carefully. If you see apps you don't recognize, if you see old apps you don't use anymore. Tap the app, click Remove Access. That's it. You just cut off their permission instantly. If you don't check this today, you could be letting unknown apps hold access to your personal data right now. Hackers don't always break in. Sometimes, they're already invited. Go check your Google account. Right now, remove old access, protect your data, subscribe for more real tech protection tips, because your digital life is more valuable than you think.